Okay, guys, let's go to discount price calculator.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have, it's very basic. Actually, it can help you to, if you are in good on math, maybe you don't need, but if you know it, you can you use from here. Like, let's suppose your price is $30.
Mm-hmm.
So our price is $30. If you put your lightning deal, like maybe it's 25, then
Mm-hmm.
the final price will be 25. And if you have any coupon, maybe
Mm-hmm.
one with 10%,
Yeah.
then here is $22. Your price, the final price will be $22 for the customer. And you can change it, the stackable, not stackable, you group or none. When we create on the Amazon, we can select it. Or outlet price, you can put maybe you sell 30, then you finally put 25 and you have coupon 10% or social media, maybe you can do like 20% social media promotion. You create the links and your final price will be 20%. It's like reduction of percentage, like 25%, you reduced from 30, then you're gonna have 20% off from 25. It means like final price will be
Mm-hmm.
$20.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very basic, but it can help you to understand, okay, I have multiple
Yeah.
deals and the coupons on this one, that one. What will be final price? Like 10% here as well. What's a final
Mm-hmm.
price
Mm-hmm.
for me to get from the Amazon? Okay, should we go next?
Yeah, pretty clear. Just this can help us understand if we want to run some deals together. Maybe you have a coupon, want to understand, should I remove the coupon? Am I still profitable? Sometimes it's a bit hard to understand. I have a lightning deal and a coupon. So, and then social media promo code. And if someone uses all the three, do I still make money or not? So this can help
Yeah.
us. And yeah, that's a nice tool.